Hello everyone. Today we're talking about finances. We have a financial expert with us, Mr. Goundrar. His website is on the board. He's particularly knowledgeable about Forex, which is currency trading, different currencies of different countries. And he's been working with some of us for some time. Today he came from New Zealand in our office to give us some more information about the market. So we're going to ask him some questions just to kind of understand how the currency market works. What are the rules? It's complicated business, but there's some information that if you have, you can actually be very successful at it. So thank you for being here, Moon, coming to my office on your short trip in the US. Can you just tell us a little bit about the currency market and how you see it, and why are you successful versus anyone else who does it?
Thanks. Currency operates normally in pairs. It has to be in a pair, like euro, dollar versus USD. And you have to study currency based on that country's economy, how the country performs. If the economy is good for that particular country, their currency is also uprising, which is strengthening. So in this current economic world, we find it very interesting to see our US dollar is rising. It is due to the fact that US economy is always the best right now and doing well, and it will continue to do well in the near future.
That's right.
So my success rate is based on that fundamental research that I do every day to trade with the currencies that are profitable.
So how many hours a day you spend on researching and learning about the...
researching and nailing about trading, I do quite a lot. It's 12 hours minimum, and I go up to 16 hours a day in research. On research only, trying to understand what's happening current.
And you said you've been managing how many clients so far?
Currently, I've got active 22 investors who has given me instruction to trade on their behalf.
Right.
But they manage their own accounts at current moment.
Right. But you just mentioned you had worked with some people and there was a 100% ratio of success.
All the 22 I've got right now, 100% success.
Yeah. So for someone who wants to get into the market and is interested in trading,
yes,
and doesn't understand anything about currency or stocks,
okay,
why do you think the currency market is better than, I don't know, cryptocurrency? So cryptocurrency is something that everybody's jumping into now. Why do you think the actual currency market?
Okay.
So give us some information so our audience understands where to come in.
Okay. First, I'll have to explain you the difference between cryptocurrency and the normal legal tender currency.
Great.
Okay. Cryptocurrency, the word crypto means it's hide or secret.
Hide or secret?
It is not a currency.
Okay.
It is not a legal tender. In any country which is a democratic country, whereby that country is ruled by the people who has voted MPs to run a government, cryptocurrencies is illegal and it cannot be a exchange of money.
Okay.
You need a currency that today you go and buy something, you get the change, and in swap you get a product. With crypto you cannot, because it is not a legal tender, number one. Number two, cryptocurrency is only a commodity, it is not a currency.
Okay.
Okay. Cryptos are normally designed by rich people who wanted monies from offshore to come into the States. That is why crypto is US versus crypto.
Yeah.
So, to my research, and it is a factual research, 98% of Asians are the crypto shareholders.
Hmm.
In their country, they are not allowed to move any money outside the world.
Okay.
So crypto was one means of money laundering. So what they do, they bought billions of dollars of cryptocurrency. The crypto shares went up. They have shares in the crypto. They left the country, come to States.
Now they can cash out.
They can cash up here into US dollars, invest into cinemas, buying building, real estate. So indirectly, they have drained money out illegally from their country. So cryptocurrency is an illegal trade just because it's money laundering against the law. So they more or less violated the law. Now when the cryptocurrency is worldwide advertised, people are dreaming, they want to go into cryptocurrency, it's like viral. The government of each country overseas now realize it is a trade that it should be unregulated. So they are attacking the regulators that cryptocurrency is not legal, they're going to shut down. So those investors who are into crypto, they lose their share. The reason why crypto has collapsed, the people who are the owners of crypto, they have put a very lump sum to start up as founders of that company. So when their funds into crypto deposited, the cryptocurrency started to rise. So when they start to rise, you and I jump, hey, crypto is doing well, let's put money in.
That's right.
So when the public, which are retailers, came into crypto trade, the crypto started to boom, went up to about 25K or 24K. So when the elites who were the initial founders of crypto, they realized the flow of money in the trade is more than we invested, they tried to, from the foundation, pull and withdraw their money. So when they start to withdraw their capital, crypto starts to go down. Then you see, hi, crypto starts to go down, I'm at risk, let me withdraw. Likewise, E follow. So the whole world follows, crypto is collapsing. And then when crypto is collapsing, so what happened? So the government has realized something is gone wrong, they start to shut down the crypto regulators. So for that reason, the latest, your President Trump has already announced that he's not going to tolerate any transactions made from Venezuela in terms of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency.
Right.
So that's a good example for your US guys that I've known that. And apart from that, currency trades is more legal. It's controlled by government. They can fluctuate. They can devalue. They can keep a control. They have got a central banks who can raise interest rate up and down. And you and I can legally trade. And the volume of trade on foreign currency is legit because you can see the trade, what's happening in and out. Whereas in crypto, they take your money, you don't know where is your money invest, you can't see any transaction, how your trades operating, what shares they are buying, and what your money is doing for you, you cannot. Whereas in the foreign currency, you have live access, you have transparency, you can see on every tick how your currency is doing, what is your profit and how you're doing, and lively, your account is managed by you and you can control it.
And you mentioned 5.7 trillion.
5.7 trillion turnover US dollars per day.
A day. $5.7 trillion turnover in currency exchange a day. That's a large number. So even if you get a fraction of that, that's a pretty large amount. It's a very complicated business. Currency is not for everyone. You have to really understand world affairs, politics, what's going to happen. You have to forecast what's going on, and it requires a certain type of knowledge and understanding. And Moon has been spending 9 years on this process, so he has become an expert in that area. If anyone is more interested in learning about the currency or cryptocurrency and wants to speak to Moon directly, website is there. It's www.invest.moongoundrar.com, or you guys can contact me. I'll relay you to his direct message. Hopefully you guys found this video useful. Stay tuned for future videos. Thank you. Have a great